How you guys doing, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. I've been inactive on YouTube for the last 10 days or so because I got my second kid. My life has been hectic to say the least, but we are continuing strong and we got a bunch of new videos planned. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and support our channel by sharing our content with the rest of Alfa Romeo enthusiasts and car enthusiasts in general. Today we're going to be doing a little experiment. We're going to be checking out if you can fit the window controls from Alfa Romeo 147 to Alfa Romeo GT. Here's my Alfa Romeo 147. The controls on this car and the GT are pretty much identical, but that doesn't mean that they will be operational. First thing I'm gonna do is remove the window controls from this car. Now usually there's a screw beneath the window controls, but previous owner removed it, so I can basically just pull out the window controls. I'm gonna unplug them and we're gonna go over to the GT and try them out. Before we can swap them out, I gotta remove the window controls on this car as well. Alright, now I'm gonna take the controls from Alfa Romeo 147 and we're gonna plug them in. As you can see, the connectors are the same, but we're gonna check them out and see if they work. I got the whole setup ready. I got my switches from Alfa 147 installed. Now I'm gonna turn the key into the MAR position and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Alright, the key is in the on position. Keep in mind that both windows are completely open. Now let's see what's gonna happen when I hit the close button. Alright, surprisingly the window is closing. Now I'm gonna hit the open button and let's see if the window is gonna respond. I'm hitting the button, but I'm getting no action whatsoever from the driver's side window. Let's see what's gonna happen on the other side as well. This window is also open. If I hit the close button, the window is closing. Now I'm gonna try to open it. As you can see, I'm hitting the button, but nothing is happening. So in best case scenario, the switches from 147 will allow you to close the windows on your GT, but that is basically it. If you were thinking about buying the window switches from 147 for your GT, don't do it because they basically will not work. As you can see, the odometer right there is flashing, but even if I do the proxy alignment, that won't make any difference. That would be it for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing.